What if at the end of each month in 2025, you could achieve one big goal that has been sitting on your mind for far too long? Imagine having the clarity, the plan, and the tools in place to make it happen without the overwhelm or distractions that have held you back in the past. I'm Coach Olajumoke, founder of the Olajumoke Coaching Company, and this is exactly what my new program, Unlock Your Month, is designed to help you do. This isn't just another course. This is a hands-on coaching experience where I hold you by the hand and I guide you step by step to help you achieve meaningful results in 30 days, every 30 days. Here is how it works. In week 1, we will get crystal clear on your top priority for the month and would map out a detailed action plan for that month. Together, we will break your goals down into manageable milestones and daily action plans so that by the end of week 1, you will know exactly what you need to do every day to get to your big goal at the end of the month. With your plan in place, I'll help you stay focused, consistent, and accountable as you take daily steps towards achieving your goal. Every week, we will track your progress, address any challenges, and celebrate your wins. I know you might be thinking, I've set goals before, but I never seem to follow through. That is where Unlock Your Month is different. This isn't about learning productivity or goal-setting tips that you will forget tomorrow. This is about doing today, every day. With my guidance and support and a community of like-minded achievers, you can make it happen. You have everything you need to succeed. A clear and actionable plan from day 1, weekly live coaching to keep you on track, daily accountability check-ins to keep you motivated when you can't find the motivation yourself, and a supportive community to cheer you on every step of the way. At the end of every month, you won't just feel productive, you will feel accomplished. You would know that you gave your goal the focus and commitment it deserves, and you will have the results to show for it. What's the investment? For just 100,000 naira every month, you will get 4 weeks of expert coaching, proven strategies to help you work smarter and not just harder, personalized support to keep you accountable, clarity and confidence to achieve your big goal for the month. Think about it. What would achieving one big goal every month for the rest of 2025 mean to you? That is 12 of your most important goals in a year. Whether it's launching that project, improving your business, achieving a personal fitness or health goal, you finally have the tools to make it happen. Spots are limited. The next cohort starts in January 2025. Do not waste time on this offer. Click the link below to secure your spots now, and let's unlock 2025 together. I can't wait to work with you. Sign up today.